Close the ink valve of the ink damper that needs to be replaced. Close the ink tube clamp. Place lint-free cloths on both sides of the ink dampers. Disconnect ink tube of the ink damper that needs to be replaced. Wrap the tube end with a lint-free cloth and secure them with cable tie. Prepare the new ink damper. Cut off the cable tie securing the tube end. Reconnect the ink tube of the ink damper. Open the ink tube clamp. Open the ink valve. Use a syringe to draw out the ink from the damper to venting. Reinstall the damper.